How to log in Trust Wallet accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Trust Wallet account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Make sure that you have downloaded Trust Wallet app in your device. If not, head over to Play Store and search for Trust Wallet. This is the application that you should download. Tap on Install, and once the installation is completed, open the app. Now at this page, just tap on I already have a wallet at the bottom. Then tap on Multicoin Wallet on the first option. Here you have to type in the secret phrases, that is typically 12 or sometimes 24 words. Then tap on Import. And once your secret phrase matches your account, your wallet will be successfully imported. Now tap on OK. Then you will get landed onto your Trust Wallet account, and that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.